Hi Husky Writers, here are the writing objectives for today. I can draw people, animals, and objects by looking at parts and shapes. And I can draw objects by looking at shapes in a small group. Let's get started. Friends, we are going to look at the book called Little Elephant by Tana Hoban to study a little bit more about what she does in her writing. Pay attention to what you are noticing in the story. I am a little elephant. Oh, wow, so there are some words here. Take a look at the picture. This is my mother. She lets me play in the water. First one toe, then two. A big splash, lots of bubbles. Up goes my trunk, swing it around. Well, friends, I'm noticing some great things here. What I like is that with the animal here, the elephant, it looks like there are shapes here. And I think if I am looking at the elephant and think about what shapes I'm noticing, that will help me to draw. So if I'm thinking about the body of an elephant, what kind of a shape is that? Maybe we can find an elephant more over here. Maybe there's one standing up. Oh wow, let's look over here. So if I'm looking at the body, what kind of a shape might you be seeing? Maybe an oval? And the legs are more like a rectangle. And the ears, where do you see a good picture of the ears? Oh, maybe over here. Like a triangle. Look at how many different shapes we could see just by studying the pictures in Tana Hoban's book. So today, friends, I think that we can work to draw some shapes in order to make animals. Maybe you want to make people. Maybe you want to make different objects. But I would like to draw an animal. And since we studied the elephant, this is the picture that I am going to use to help me draw an elephant. Now, if you have a book around you that has different people or animals or objects, study that to help you draw whatever you want to draw in your book. So friends, we noticed that the body of an elephant is the shape of a what? An oval. So let me draw my oval here. Then we noticed that the legs were more like rectangles. You see how I'm taking my time? I know that a rectangle has two short sides and two long sides, and I'm going to make it as straight as I possibly can. Oh, but then I can't forget about the head. Now the head of an elephant, I'm looking at the picture if you can't tell, kind of curves out. And then there's a trunk to an elephant. The elephant's trunk is curved, but it is kind of like a rectangle. circle. Oh, and I can't forget about the mouth. But there was one part that we definitely talked about. The ears. The ears are like triangles. Can't forget about the tail, which is kind of like a rectangle too. And there we have it. Friends, we were able to look at our pictures and recognize the shapes that are found within what we were studying. You can use people today, you can use animals today, or you can use objects. So I want you to go ahead and get started and work to add another page into your Tana Hoban book. I'll see you again next time.